If you're a student and you use OneNote, this video is going to make your note-taking way faster, cleaner, and a lot more organized. I'm going to show you a simple OneNote setup for students that works really well for managing classes, lecture notes, homework, slides, and exam prep, all in one place. And best of all, you can build this system in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tech tips like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is create your notebook structure. In OneNote, I recommend making one notebook for each semester. So instead of mixing everything into one giant notebook, you can keep things separated by term. For example, you might have one notebook for fall 2026 and another for spring 2027. This makes it much easier to stay organized and find your material later when exams roll around. Once your semester notebook is created, the next step is to organize your classes using section groups. To do that, right-click in the section area and choose Section Group. Then create one section group for each individual class. So if you're taking biology, history, and math, each class gets its own section group. This is a really smart way to keep each course contained without everything spilling together. Inside each class group, you can create separate sections for the different parts of that class. A good setup is to make tabs for lectures, labs, syllabus, and exam prep. That way your lecture notes are separated from your lab work, your course syllabus is easy to find, and your test review materials are stored in one dedicated place. This structure helps a lot when you're studying, because you won't waste time searching through random pages to find what you need. Now let's talk about pages and subpages. For every lecture, create a new page. You can name it by date, topic, or lecture number, depending on what makes the most sense for your class. For example, you could use something like September 12th, Chapter 4, or Lecture 3, Cell Structure. Then, if you want to organize related material under that lecture, right-click the page and select Make Subpage. This is perfect for nesting textbook readings, homework, or review notes underneath that specific lecture date. It keeps everything connected and makes your notebook feel much more structured. One of the most useful features in OneNote for students is audio recording. If your professor speaks quickly or covers a lot of material, go to the Insert tab and click Audio. OneNote will start recording your professor while you type notes at the same time. This is especially helpful if your class moves fast and you don't want to miss important definitions, formulas, or examples. As your professor speaks, type key concepts, acronyms, or quick reminders so you can come back later and expand them. This makes your notes much more effective because you're capturing both the audio and the important written points together. Another great OneNote trick is using PDF slide decks or worksheets directly inside your notes. If your professor gives you slides as a PDF, go to Insert and choose File Printout. OneNote will place the pages into your notebook like a printable document. After that, always right-click the image and select Set Picture as background. This locks the page in place, which means you can type on top of it or use a stylus to highlight, circle, or annotate without the page moving around. That is a huge advantage if you're filling out worksheets, working through study guides, or marking up lecture slides. And here's a super useful study feature. Search. If you're studying for a midterm, press Ctrl+F and type a keyword. OneNote will search your notebook and highlight that keyword even if it appears inside an image like a whiteboard photo or a printed slide. That means you can quickly find lecture topics, important terms, or specific formulas without manually digging through every page. It's a huge time saver when exam week gets busy. So to recap, the best student setup in OneNote is to use one notebook per semester. Section groups for each class, sections for lectures, lab syllabus, and exam prep. Pages for each lecture, subpages for related readings or homework, audio recording for live lectures, file printouts for PDFs, and Ctrl+F to search quickly when you're studying. Once you start using this system, your notes will feel a lot more organized and a lot easier to review. If you found this OneNote tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a classmate who needs a better note-taking system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.